So today's topic is VHWR meter. Earlier we have seen other microwave devices and instruments. In that we have covered the spectrum analyzer, we have covered the network analyzer. Today we will see the VHWR meter. VHWR stands for voltage standing wave ratio meter. Okay. Here, if you are seeing, this is your VHWR scale. Okay, this is your VHWR scale. Here on the top, if you are seeing, on the top you are having the normal scale is there, normal standing wave ratio, and its range is from 1 to 4. Okay, if you are seeing the scale, it is a logarithmic in nature. Okay, so 1 is here, 2 it is coming here, 3 is here, 4 is here. It is logarithmic scale. See, if the range, if VHWR range is more than 4, then you have to consider this bottom scale. So it is from your 3 to 10. Okay, it is from 3 to 10. And say suppose if you are seeing that what is the value of your VHWR is there, it is very less. So you can go for this expanded standing wave ratio. Expanded standing wave ratio, it is from 1.05 to 3. Okay, so we can go for this third. We can even calculate your VHWR directly in terms of your dB. Suppose if you are going for calculating VHWR directly in terms of the dB, we can go for this scale. It is from 0 to 5. It is from say 0 to 5. And say suppose if you want to go for little bit, we can go for the below one, that is the expanded. This is the expanded dB. It will be in terms of expanded dB. Means we need to have this scale, and the pointer should be such that we have to think that on which scale it is coinciding. Okay. Say suppose if you are considering the first one, and if it is totally deflected towards your left hand side, means this is showing that it is out of range. Here it is coming, it is showing out of range. So we have to switch it from here to here. Okay, we will see it here. Here what is happening. Okay, so if you are switching to from first to second, you might get somewhere here and there. You can get the pointer somewhere here. So from that you can calculate it. Or suppose what is happening that initially it is showing something like this only. In the beginning only, and then there here deflection is not there. Then what we do? We will switch to this one, expanded dB. So when we are switching to expanded dB, so here it may be possible that it may go somewhere this side, and we can note down what is the reading from here. Okay. So in this way we can know the value of your voltage standing wave ratio. This is your scale. Now what exactly this is? Say we can say that your voltage standing wave ratio, it is your V maximum by V minimum. So first we have to consider that what is the full scale deflection. So whatever the full scale deflection will be there, that full scale deflection we should consider it as V maximum. So let us assume that your full scale deflection it is at your 10 millivolt. We will adjust your VHWR as 1 at 10 millivolt. We will adjust your VHWR at 1 at your 10 millivolt. Now, you are having now if you are say slotted line is there. On slotted line, if you are changing it, you will find that there will be change in the voltage. And let us assume that whenever you are changing it, you are getting a voltage of say 5 millivolt. So when you are getting the voltage of 5 millivolt, your VHWR it will be switched to 2. Okay, it will be switched to 2. 2 means it is the ratio of your V maximum to V minimum. Okay. Now, say suppose again if you are on the slotted and if you are changing it, and there if it is showing say 3.3 millivolt, So your VSWR will be 3. Similarly, say suppose if you are going for your 2.5 millivolt, you are going for your 10 millivolt, what will be your this VSWR? Just calculate it. Say suppose if your voltage is 2.5 millivolt, if your voltage is 10 millivolt, what 1 millivolt, then what will be your VSWR? Calculate it. So here you are having 5. So this will be 4. So whenever we are going for finding the VSWR, we should know that what is the full scale deflection. Okay. So first we have to calculate the full scale deflection. And whatever the full scale deflection will be there, full scale deflection is maximum voltage. So whatever your full scale deflection will be there, that will be considered as, there you will have VSWR as 1 at your full scale deflection. And these are other voltages. These are other V minimum voltages. So when you are seeing that as your V minimum increases, your VSWR will decrease. Okay. So as it is moving 1 to 10, it will be from 10 to 1. Okay. So this type you will have.